Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. I'm going to show you two simple and amazingly delicious salad recipes in this episode. A fried, warm potato salad and no-cook celery salad with yogurt dressing. They are easy to make, have simple ingredients, yet the result is rich and tasteful. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have these sliced potatoes soaked in water for half an hour. Let me go back and tell you how I did it. I have 4 medium-sized potatoes. I just peel it and wash it. I'm gonna thinly slice and going to use my food processor's disc attachment for it. This is the easiest way, but you can thinly slice it with a knife or use a grater that they have a slicing part too. I just needed to cut it a little bit to fit, and then we are good to go. To get rid of the starch in the potatoes, we need to soak it in the water. At least half an hour would be nice. You can even make it like 2 hours before. Just add plentiful of water, give it a mix, rub it a little bit gently, and then let it sit. For my village style potato salad, I'm also going to use some hot red pepper flakes, pul biber, some sumac, chopped parsley, lemon, garlic, some salt and olive oil. I'm going to drain the potatoes. You can clearly see the starch in the water, and we need to pat dry it completely before frying. And for this I added some paper towel over my kitchen towel and pat dry it, and waited a bit, about 15 minutes, to let the thyme work. If you don't have time, just pickily dry it and it will be ready. My vegetable oil is heating. We're just going to fry it like chips. It is a bit thicker than chips actually, but with this technique it really comes out delicious as a salad. And I'm going to fry completely all of them in 3 parts without overcrowding the pan. I have my plate ready that has a paper towel on it for soaking the excess vegetable oil after frying. First batch is done already, and gonna continue to fry until I finish it. By the way, make sure to salt every batch after it is fried, right after, while it is still hot, so they stay crispy. I'm frying the 3rd batch. It's almost done. I'm going to make simple garlic sauce for my salad. Just gonna chop cloves of garlic finely and heat some olive oil in a small pot. Add the garlic and heat for about 30 seconds. We don't want to brown it, just infuse the garlic oil to the olive oil. My last batch of potatoes are done too. Just don't forget to season it well. And we are ready to mix it. simply add the fried potatoes to the bowl. Sprinkle chopped parsley, some red pepper flakes, sumac to give some sourness, it's optional, and the garlic olive oil. And finally, lemon juice. Give it a gentle stir and it's ready. Next, I'm gonna show you a simple salad with celery and yogurt dressing. I have one medium-sized celery root, about 1 cup plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, some salt, coarsely chopped walnuts, handful of chopped dill, and 2 cloves of garlic. First, I'm gonna peel my celery root, and all the ingredients are ready because after peeling it, it will begin to get darkened, so you need to work it quickly and peel it very thick. Since it's a root, you need to do that in order to reach to the center. So again, I'm gonna grate in my food processor using the grater attachment, grater side of the disc. Again, you can use regular grater by hand, but use the smaller side of it, thinner side. As soon as I grate my celery root, I add the yogurt, the mayonnaise, and garlic and mix everything. This way it will stop darken and will stay white. I needed to add extra more yogurt. You can just eyeball it. Simply just cover it generously with yogurt, adding the salt, walnuts, chopped dill, taking some photos for Instagram. I do share some stories from time to time on my Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel. You can follow me from there too. This simple recipe comes out very delicious, my friends, and also the celery root is very rich in antioxidants and nutrients. It has good health benefits like for bone and heart health. And the best thing is, since you don't cook the celery, I think you will get the best benefits as you can, and it really tastes even better than cooked. You can serve this salad as a side dish, in dinner, as a quick lunch. Make a quick lunch adding some grilled chicken or köfte. Also would be great with a tea time party together with some börek or other savory pastries. So I hope you give it a try and leave a comment. Please do like and share my videos if you enjoy them so others can see it too. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Stay tuned. Afiyet olsun.